Over 3 decades ago, Suzuki revolutionized sportbikes with the introduction of the GSX-R750. Ever since then, the GSX-R750 has remained true to its original concept and championship-winning heritage. On the road or on the track, the GSX-R750 delivers a breathtaking combination of outstanding engine performance, crisp handling, compact size, and light weight. Its secret is an unequaled pairing of 750cc performance with the lightweight compact chassis of a 600cc supersport, complemented by technologically advanced suspension front and rear. Powertrain-wise, the 750 category splits the difference between the high-revving character of a 600 Supersport and the lumpy immediate bottom end of a Litterbuck. The engine is good for around 130 horsepower at the back tire. But think of the GSX-R750 as a built race-prepped 600 with a beefier bottom end. This makes it ideal for street riding, with a punchy, exhilarating 14,500 RPM top end. The GSX-R750's look was born and raised on the racetrack, and for 2020, that styling has a pair of dual-color paint schemes. Riders can choose a glossy glass sparkle black combined with pearl glacier white scheme or metallic matte black combined with glass sparkle black look that blends a shiny and flat finish. Each scheme includes complementary graphics and wheel rim accents.